Wanna go for a nature hike and do one of these activities?
Yeah.
All right, William, will you draw one? Oh, there you go. Will you give that to Bruce? You wanna read us what we're gonna do?
Tracks are the impression made by animals' feet in the ground. Look around you and see how many tracks of different animals you can find. Can you see any human tracks? What about bird tracks? In addition to looking for tracks, see what other ways you can determine that an animal has been there. Are there any stray feathers, nibbled leaves, or droppings on the ground?
All right, so we're gonna look for animal tracks while we hike, okay?
Hi, I found some coyote scat over here and something that an animal might eat, rose hips.
What animal signs did you find on your hike so far?
Rabbit foot and deer poop. I found a deer track.